Hello and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today we are doing a weekly vlog. So it is Monday. We're going to do a little week in my work life video, but it's going to be like probably mostly what I do after work. It is currently Monday. I'm pretty much done with work for the day. I have like another couple little things that I'm going to do before I log off. My friend Grace has actually spent the weekend here, and so she and I have been working from my apartment today, which has been nice to have a buddy to work with. And then tonight I'm going to hopefully start doing a little bit of a reset for September, and I have some videos to film and stuff. I need to work out, so we're gonna have a productive evening. But I just wanted to start this video off. And in case you are new here, hi, my name is Zoe. I have just graduated from Villanova University and I am starting my adult life, big girl job and the whole shebang. So yay, welcome back to the channel and make sure to subscribe, and yeah. So it is a lot later now. It is like 6 o'clock. I finished up work for the day, got all of that squared away and done. I just put my sheets on in the washing machine. Hopefully you can't hear it in the background. And now I'm gonna go do a quick workout. I think I'm gonna do some Pilates. I'm just gonna go down to the gym in my building and do a little bit of that. And then I'm gonna come up, make dinner, and just kind of do some things to chill out and start getting ready to reset for September. I've been to the gym, I've had a shower, I'm working on cooking some dinner right now, and I'm also just gonna like use some of my dinner for my lunch tomorrow. So I've just like cut up a bunch of vegetables. Here's my plate thus far. Some carrots and cucumber and baby corn, and then I'm doing some fries and fish that I'm gonna eat with it. And then I've just like saved all the vegetables I've cut up for my lunch tomorrow. I'm trying to make my like food last for 2 weeks instead of 1 week, because I feel like whenever I make it last 1 week, like it encourages me to buy more, and then I don't use the other stuff that I have because I'm like, oh, I have like new stuff, I want to try using that. So I think I can do it. I just need to like get used to it and figure out like what meals might like last longer, and like because I always like to get like produce and like fresh stuff, and obviously that goes bad pretty quick. And so I just need to like figure out the timing of when I need to cook it so that it lasts as long as it can possibly last. And that's what I'm trying to figure out at the minute, is how to make my groceries last a long time. If this isn't a girl dinner, I don't know what is. Okay, while I eat this, I think I'm just gonna throw something on the TV. I've been watching The Big Bang Theory and I've been loving it, but I don't know if I feel like The Big Bang Theory or if I just wanna watch some YouTube videos right now. I'll decide in a minute. Does anyone have any advice on how to not have wrinkled sheets? Because I feel like mine are super wrinkly, and I've never had this problem before, and it really bothers me, but I don't really know what to do about it. I don't really want to iron my sheets. That feels extra, but I don't know if there's some kind of hack. Send me the TikTok, man. Oh, I love a nice new bed. I'm back from work. It is Tuesday afternoon. It's about 6 o'clock. I am so tired for literally no reason. I don't know what's in the air. I felt like everybody at the office was tired. This morning I got up because I usually work out before I go to work, and I got up this morning at like 6:30 And I went into the bathroom, I put in my contacts, and then I walked back in my room and I was like, this just isn't happening today. And I went back to sleep for an hour and a half. I was like, I cannot physically work out this morning. And honestly, I'm still kind of feeling that way, but I think I want to push myself and I can do it. I'm going to do a Peloton. I know once I go and I do it, I'm gonna feel better. It's just right now, I'm just like feeling very like, bleh, you know? I also, after being so good, pre-making my lunch yesterday, I forgot it. So I had to buy lunch anyway. But it happens. Today was just a weird day. I was just in a weird headspace. Work itself was good. I felt like I was contributing something today in one of my meetings. So that was good. I met some people who I had like set up like some networking things with, and they were really nice, and I learned a lot about what they did. I feel like so much of whenever you're first starting out, especially in a role, like I'm working in a technical role as an engineer, and so I really have to like take the time to like learn things before I really feel like I'm gonna be able to contribute anything super worthwhile. And it just like takes time to do that and to develop that sense. Like it's like a whole nother language that you have to learn whenever you first start out. And so I like keep on trying to remind myself to like cut myself some slack and that it's okay. And I definitely am a lot further along now than I was whenever I first started. Like I really feel like I can at least follow conversations usually that happen. And if nothing else, I feel a lot more comfortable like asking questions. So progress is being made, but I'm really tired. So to motivate myself, you're gonna come with me. I'm gonna get changed, I'm gonna put on a workout outfit, and then I'm gonna go do my workout, and in an hour it'll be over. And then I can pig out and do nothing for the rest of the evening. Even though I do kind of want to film a video. That is kind of part of my dilemma, because if I go work out, then I'm gonna want to shower, and it's hair wash day. See, this is what I mean about just being in a weird headspace. Okay, I've just changed for the gym. I am fully decked out in Sweaty Betsy today. I absolutely love their clothes for workouts. I don't know, they're just so comfy and cute. I just have on this like workout jacket, and then I have on this pink sports bra that is so flattering and also like feels really good and supportive. The effort that I'm going to show you guys, the fact that I have on biker shorts. Now I've seen the full outfit. I just got up the Peloton and I am so hot and so sweaty. I was gonna do something afterwards as well, but I was just like, no. Like I did this much. I didn't even want to do this much. I cannot do more. And I hit my calorie goal for the day, so my motivation is like gone as soon as I hit that calorie goal, which is so bad. It's such a bad mentality. Like this should not be the defining factor of what I accomplish and what I don't, but today it was. So like I said before, I kind of wanted to film a video this afternoon, or this evening, I guess it's like 7 o'clock now, but I just like don't feel like I'm quite ready to film one. If I have one ready, I would like not bother showering and just kind of like make myself not look like I just worked out, and then film the video and then shower afterwards because I need to wash my hair, or I'd like body shower or something. But I don't, the videos I have that I wanted to film are still kind of like, they're gonna take me like an hour or so to like prep. So I'm just kind of like, well, I'm hungry and I'm gross. And so I think I'm just gonna shower, make myself some dinner, and then prep both of these videos so that I can film maybe both of them tomorrow if I'm lucky. I really want to get up early to film one of them, which would require me going to bed early. So we'll see what I manage. I did not spend the evening doing anything productive whatsoever, but that's okay because I spent it reading my book. I'm currently reading Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton, and I'm really liking this book. It's a memoir. For those of you who don't know, one of my goals for this year was to read more non-fiction books, and I'm actually doing a really good job of it in my opinion. I think this is my third or maybe even fourth non-fiction book of the year, so quite happy with that. But yeah, it's very entertaining, it's very funny, it's very thought-provoking, and especially if you're somebody my age in your 20s it really just makes you think a lot about life, and I really like that in a book. Something that makes me think but also makes me entertained. It made me cry. And I keep saying the books that made me cry are a rarity, but I think I've cried in like 4 or 5 books this year, so maybe it's not as rare as it used to be. But I do really like this book, and I'm almost done with it. I only have like 50 pages left, so I hopefully will finish it this week. And with that, I am going to head to bed for the night, so I'll see you in the morning. I look as exhausted as I currently feel. I think that it's just taking me a really long time to get used to the stamina required to have a 9 to 5 in an office. Like, I just get so tired by the end of the day. Today we actually went out after work and we just went and got some drinks at this cute little bar. It was really, really fun. It was really, really nice. I love it that we do that. My group of people that I started with, we usually like do this at least once a week. Like, we'll either go out for drinks, or like last week we went rock climbing, like that kind of stuff, which is so nice, because it's a lot of people my age who are starting. But I'm really, really tired now and I need some dinner, so I think I'm literally just gonna microwave something. I think I have like some microwavable curries that I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna call it a night because I am exhausted. Change of plans, I just realized I have a whole bunch of food, like produce, that I really need to use up. And since I am not going to be cooking another meal here until like next week, because tomorrow I am going back to school, I'm going to see my boyfriend and like do some stuff for the weekend, I am going to go ahead and cook it now, even though I'm so tired. So much for a nice chill Wednesday evening with an easy meal and going to bed. I have randomly decided to do a full reset tonight, and so I literally have clothes in the laundry right now. I did the first lot and it's like out here drying, and then I like cooked my whole meal and everything. I cleaned the kitchen. I'm working on cleaning the kitchen, emptied the dishwasher, did the washing up. I'm literally like cleaning my stove, and I think I'm gonna like hoover next, because I may as well just do it all while I do it, and then I can clean my bathroom probably tomorrow during the day, because I'm working from home tomorrow before I leave tomorrow afternoon. And so I think I'm gonna do that, and so I'll have a nice like clean apartment whenever I get back from my like thing that I'm doing over Labor Day. But yeah, so randomly just cleaning the whole apartment. It actually could be way worse though. Like, I like have my YouTube on. I just finished talking to like my boyfriend, and then I talked to my parents, and so it's fine. I'm being entertained, so it's not that the worst. And like once I ate, I like had a bit more energy too. I honestly have like zero idea where like the boost of energy came from to do all of this tonight, but I basically did like my whole September reset today, like in terms of my like apartment cleaning and everything, which was so nice. So I like hoovered everywhere. I still have to do the bathroom, but I think I'm gonna do the bathroom and wash all of my towels tomorrow, like during the day. And so that should be pretty easy. And then I'm like basically done with everything that I wanted to do for September. So that makes me feel just like really good, because I was kind of like not sure whether I would fit it in or anything. And so I'm kind of glad that I kind of pushed through the tiredness. Also, my glasses are fogging up. I pushed through the tiredness to make sure that I got this stuff done, and I don't know, it felt good. Anyway, I'm gonna head to bed and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday and I am about halfway through the day. I'm like taking my lunch break. I guess I'm still in my pajamas. Sometimes it just happens where I just like don't have the motivation to get ready, and sometimes like I feel like you kind of have to know yourself. Like, there are some days when I just need to get right into work and I just need to do it, and I'm gonna be a lot more productive if I'm not like preoccupied with like getting ready and all of that stuff, and I can just like chill out in my bed and like focus in on the work. And maybe that's not the case for everybody. Like I feel like everybody has their own way of doing it. So many people are like, no, you have to like get up, you have to get ready. And I think on some days, like, yes, that's really important for me too. Like I need to do that if I'm gonna be expected to get anything done. But there are also some days when I just know I'm gonna be more productive overall if I'm just comfy and cozy and focusing on the work, and I don't need to like think about anything else. So that is the day that it is today. I'm also one of those people who I'm really productive whenever I'm like sitting in my bed. Like all through high school and college, I would do my homework in my bed. I know people are like, no, like you need to separate your work life and your like home and sleep and everything, and maybe that's the case, but I know myself, and I know that I can be very, very productive in those environments. I know whenever it's time to stop doing that and get out of those environments. So I really just feel like it's all about balance. It's about figuring out what works for you. And yeah, so I'm gonna go back and make my lunch and then do some more work for a little bit. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so it is Thursday evening. I am about to head out. I have just packed up all of my stuff. I've got a great big backpack here, which is probably way more than I need. Pillow, and I'm bringing like a yoga mat and stuff. I'm actually going camping at a racetrack this weekend. So we'll see how it goes. I'm probably not gonna like proper vlog, but if I get any clips, then I will insert them after this one, just to show what we were up to, because it might be kind of cool. But yeah, I'm definitely overpacked, and I've done it all in like 50 minutes. It's like almost 6 now, and I finished at 5. So I'm just trying to like get all of that in order. I need to clean my bathroom still, and then I want to take the recycling to the dumpsters and the trash to the dumpsters, because I don't want it just like sitting in my apartment, because I need to like put it out at night if I want them to pick it up. So I need to go drop all of that off, and I have 10 minutes to do all of those things.